I was talking to someone over Twitter, so I shared my number with him, and we were discussing about misogyny and all. Just general conversations, men thing. He seemed like a nice guy initially, but he said something disturbing. So I had to switch my internet off, and he texted me. So his text was, "I will keep put a screenshot here somewhere, or maybe on the half screen." So he said, "Hey, you got offline. What do you mean by it's bad for women than men? How do you justify that much hate for something I didn't do? If I did the same with the woman, will it be okay? Or better if I did that with a Muslim man or woman? Sorry, just Muslim man because a lot of Muslims are terrorists. So I hated that. But I needed a minute to think about it and I thought about it and now I have an answer. But I think every man should listen to this. So I understand that a lot of women, especially feminists, which is a great thing, I'm a feminist, do show some basic hate towards men. And I have faced that. Sometimes it feels bad, wrong, whatever. But the problem is, if you got bitten by a dog once and you got scared, now you don't like dogs. In that situation, what do we do? We don't force someone, okay, you must like dogs. Dogs are not dangerous. Not every dog is going to bite you. We don't do that. What we do is we take time, we take patience, and we let them take their own time. It's that easy. And most women, I'm not saying majority, I'm saying 80%, 90%, maybe 95% do face misogyny every day. Because most men, sometimes including me, are assholes. So that's a real problem. So that hate is justified. And the only way to tackle that is to be a good person, show some patience, and if you can, like, it doesn't matter if we respect others or not, right? So if you can, you should respect everyone. And we might be able to go further. So his second sentence was, how do you justify that? Okay, I cleared that much. I know you didn't do anything. Most likely you didn't. But someone is already scared. That person may be facing misogyny somewhere else or whatever. And by the way, that guy I was talking to, I don't want to reveal his name. He was upset because someone, his girlfriend, said no for casual sex because she don't trust men. And I think it's fair. If you don't trust someone and you don't want to have casual sex, it's perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with it. So if I did the same with a woman, will it be okay? No, it will not be. Cause you maybe you don't understand that, but if you do the same, we'll never leave that thing in the past. We'll have to stuck with this situation, and it's shitty. I really don't want that hate in women, and the only method I have or someone should have is just give them respect and love and just let them be, and maybe with time, maybe with patience, and they'll understand that not every man is a predator, but most of us are predator. So, so we need to keep that in mind. Or better, if I did that with a Muslim man, because a lot of Muslims are terrorists. Okay, yes, a lot of Muslims are terrorists. What about Hindus? Hindus are killing in this country now. And what about Christians? They have killed in the past. Are we going to hate people on the basis of religion? Because gender, I can understand. Okay, this man did wrong, that man did wrong. Okay, third man, I should be careful. Are we going to do that on the basis of religion now? Especially when you do understand that all Muslims are not terrorists. You said that most of a lot of them are, but not all of them. So that doesn't justify your take. I don't understand this hate at all. But really, it's bad. It's getting out of hand now. Okay, thank you. I just wanted to get angry. Okay, thanks.